we are finding the square roots. Have you ever thought of number of digits in a square root? Yes. If there are certain numbers in a square, then how many numbers will be there in square root? Is there any relationship? Yes. Let us see once. Say for example, one number is there having 4 digits. If you find square root, this is square and this is say square root, then how many digits it will have? Is there any relation? Yes, we have a relation. The simple is, if this is even number, say n, then in square root the number of digits will be n by 2, simply n by 2. That is, if it is having 4 digits, we will be having 2 digits. If it has 10 digits, the square root will have 5 digits. Simple. Immediately the next question arises. If n is odd number, then what happens is n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd, number, then number of digits will be n plus 1 by 2. Let us see one example. Say this is 7 digits are there. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2, 4 digits. Say we have 99 digits we have. 99 plus 1, 100. 100 by 2, 50 digits. So the formula is simple. If it is even, then directly we can say n by 2. If the number of digits in a square is odd number, then in square root we will get n plus 1 by 2 number of digits. We know how to find the square root of a number. For that, we are applying different methods. First, we have seen repeated subtraction. But the problem is, if it is a big number, then we have to subtract it again and again. It is very lengthy. Sometimes it is not possible. If you say more than 1000, then it will be almost not possible. If it is 10,000, very difficult. Next, we have seen prime factorization. Even in that also, if the number is bigger one, then it is very tedious process and very difficult. So we have another method called finding square root by division method. This is the method which is widely used. By this we can calculate the square root of any number, even if the number is in thousands, 10,000s or in lakhs also we can calculate. Let us see how we will do. We will start with a small number so that we can understand. Say, take an example of 529. We need to find the square root of 529. Now, let us understand. We will write 529 like this. Remember normal division. Say, for example, we are doing 81. What we do? 3 2s are 6. Okay. Then do the subtraction. 8 minus 6, 2. 2, 1, 21. 3 7s are 21 we are doing. So in the first step, what we are doing? In 3 table, where this number will come, that we are checking. 3 1s are higher, 3 2s are higher, 3 3s are lower, 8 is lower than this. So 3 2s are 6 we are taking. The same process we will apply here. So what we will do is, in the beginning, first step what we will do is, for the numbers from the right side onwards, we will pair it up. That is, For every 2 digits, we will put a bar like this. If there are 2 more digits, 1 more bar. Last one, if 2 are there, it's okay. If there is only 1, let it be. Now what is left here? 5. Now as we are doing division, we are taking like this, no? In the same way, we will check it out where 5 will come. But in which table? Square roots. We will take square roots. 1 square, 1. 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. Now, what is the number here? 5. Where it will come? Between these two numbers it will come. 4 and 9. So, we will take 2. Remember what we have done? 8. What we are doing? 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 8 we want. So we are taking the smaller number and we are doing the division. In the same way, 5, where it will come? 2 and 3. So we will take 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Do the subtraction, we will get 1. Understood this process? Simple. As we are doing in the division, in the same way we are doing here also. But we are taking some table here, but here we are taking squares like this. 1 square, 2 square, like that we are doing. Okay, subtracted 1. Then what we are doing here? We are carrying one number to the next line. In the same way here also, we will brought down these numbers to here. But here we will take in terms of pairs. 2 numbers we will take once. We will take 2 numbers. Here we have 2 numbers, 2 9. So we will take 2 numbers, 129. Not 1, 2 numbers we will take. Right? Next. What we will do is, this 2 is then a double it. Double it. 2 2s are 4. Why we have taken 2 into 2 equal to 4. Just we will double this. Now the same process. In this table we have to search for this number. In this table we are searching now. In this table we are searching now. Like that. In this table we have to search. Now see. Here if I write 1, the same number should be written here. And that number we should multiply so that we will get this number or not. Not understood? Let us see. Here if I put 1, so what happens is, let us take it here. 4, if I put 1, so into 1, 41. If I write it here 2, 42, then I should multiply with 2. 42 2s are 84. This 4, and if I write 3, 43 3s are 120, 130. If I take 44 into 4, 44 4s are 88, 176. So if I take 1 here, this will become 41 into 1. 2 here, 42 2s are, 43 3s are, like that it will goes on. Little bit a different process, but same as this. This concept is same. Now, here I have to search for 129. Where is this 129 here? Here. 43 3s are. So I should keep 43 3s are 129. Subtraction. So the answer will be this number 23. So square root of 529 is 23. This is how we will do this. Let us do this with a bigger number so that it will be more clear. say 4096, little bit bigger number. Four 096. So what is the first step we are going to do? Pair it up from right side two numbers at a time. Two numbers. Then what is the number we got? 40. What we are supposed to do? Where 40 will come? In squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, no? 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49. So what we want? 40. Where 40 will come? In between these two numbers. So we will take 6 square as 36. So it will be 6 into 6, 36, subtraction 36, 40 minus 36, 4. Next step, will we take 9 here? No. What we will take? We will take a pair, 96. So 96 we will take. Next step, double of this. So we will take 12 here. Then what we will do? This 12 here, and if we write here 1 into 1, 121. 122 twos are 244. 123 threes are 369. 124 fours are 496. 125 fives are 625. Like this we will take. 496. Where is this? 124 fours are. So what we will do? 124 fours are. So how much it is? 496. What is the answer? This is the answer. 64. So root of 4096 is 64. This is the process.